When you search for facial cleansing brushes, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Prytech Silicone Face Scrubber Pink. The Prytech Facial Cleansing Brush first caught my eye with its fun pink color and compact design, priced at just $9.98. If you want a gentle yet effective tool for deep cleansing your skin, this is worth a serious look. This brush features 5 adjustable vibration levels. The first 3 levels are perfect for cleansing, working with your favorite facial cleanser to whisk away oils, dirt, and makeup. Levels 4 and 5 switch to a massage mode that stimulates blood circulation, which is great if you're looking to enhance your skin's elasticity. The ultra-soft silicone bristles mean it's gentle on your skin, making it suitable for all skin types. Plus, it's rechargeable and waterproof, so you can use it in the shower, which is a huge plus for convenience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you struggle with enlarged pores or blackheads, this tool's design can help improve those issues over time. Now, some people mention that the vibrations might feel a bit strong on sensitive skin. Here's the thing though, if you're cautious and start at the lower settings, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly yet effective cleansing solution. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional cleansing brush without the extra features. For under $10, it really delivers value. Now, if the price point of the Prytech brush felt appealing, but you're looking for something with a bit more versatility, the next product might actually be even better for your skincare routine.
Product number 2, Medicube Multi-Pore Brush. The Medicube Multi-Pore Brush comes in at $8.99, and let me tell you, this little gadget is a multitasker. If you want a tool that can cleanse your pores and apply face masks, this is worth a serious look. This 4-in-1 silicone jelly brush not only cleanses, but also helps with gentle face massages, which can enhance your daily skincare ritual. The soft bristles are designed to penetrate deep into your pores, making it effective for blackhead removal. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to handle, so you can use it effortlessly. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With so many products on the market, having a tool that does multiple jobs can save you both time and money. That's something we all appreciate. However, some users feel that it doesn't provide as deep a clean as other devices. I'll be real with you. If you have extremely oily skin or major acne concerns, this might not be powerful enough for you. This is perfect for you if you're into skincare and want a 2-in-1 tool. Skip this one if you're looking for something with stronger cleansing power. At this price, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a comprehensive scrub experience. Product number 3, Gexcol Face Scrubber 4-pack. The Gexcol Face Scrubber, a fantastic value at just $4.99 for a 4-pack. If you want a simple yet effective way to keep your skin clean without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These silicone scrubbers are soft and gentle, designed specifically to help with blackhead removal and exfoliation. With 4 different scrubbers, you can switch them out based on your skincare needs or even share with family. They're portable, so you can take them anywhere, and they don't hold on to bacteria like other materials might. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a straightforward and affordable solution for deep cleaning your skin, these scrubbers can help you do just that. Now, some users mention that they wish the scrubbing action was more pronounced. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something hardcore, these might not be for you, but for gentle everyday use, they're a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, no-fuss option. Skip this one if you need a more intense scrub. Honestly, for under $5, this is a steal. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, the next product brings some serious features to the table. Product number 4, Prytech Silicone Face Scrubber. Green. We have another option from Prytech, this time in green, priced at $9.99. If you want a powerful yet gentle exfoliating experience, this is worth a serious look. Just like its pink counterpart, this brush also offers 5 vibration levels for both cleansing and massaging. The heated metal head is a standout feature, maintaining a constant 40 degrees Celsius temperature, which can help your skincare products absorb better. The ultra-soft silicone bristles ensure that you don't damage your skin barrier while still getting a thorough clean. Honestly, if you're looking to address issues like enlarged pores or dull skin, this tool can be a game changer. However, some users felt the heating feature was unnecessary. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy that spa-like experience at home, it's worth a try. This is perfect for you if you love a luxurious routine and want effective cleansing. Skip this one if you prefer a minimal tool. It offers great value, especially with the heating feature. Now, if you're a bit more serious about skincare and want something multifunctional, the next product is definitely worth considering.
Product number 5, Touch Beauty Electric Facial Brush. We have the Touch Beauty Electric Facial Brush priced at $19.99. If you want a professional-grade cleansing brush for at-home use, this is worth a serious look. This brush comes with 3 different brush heads, giving you a customizable experience based on your skin's needs. With 2 speed settings, you can choose between gentle cleansing and deep cleaning, which is great if you have combination skin. Plus, the 360-degree rotation helps reach every corner of your face, ensuring no dirt is left behind. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a comprehensive skincare tool, this brush provides a complete solution. That said, some people found the brush a bit bulky for travel. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it at home, that shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you're serious about skincare and want something that really delivers. Skip this one if you need something compact for travel. It may be a higher investment, but the results are worth it.
So just to recap, the Prytech brushes are great budget options. The Metacube offers versatility. The Jex Cool Pack is perfect for simplicity, while Touch Beauty gives you that professional edge. Choose the one that fits your skincare needs best.